Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing and tasty meat stew. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you'll need mixed bell peppers. As you can see in the video, I've cut them into long strips, 2 large sliced onions, a half a lime, 1 carrot which I've cut it into long strip, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of beef masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of salt, jumbo or Maggi cube optional, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, some water which you're going to use to boil the meat, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and lastly you will need 1 kg of meat. Place the meat on a medium fire, then start by adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and some water. Then cover to let the meat cook on a medium heat. Let the meat to boil until soft. Once your meat is soft and you have less soup, then your meat is ready and remove it from the fire and place aside. Then we are going to fry our meat. On a medium pot, start by adding some oil. Let the oil heat up and add some onions and cook the onions till they start turning color. Once the onions start turning color, you will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and stir. Followed by carrots and bell peppers, and give a quick mix and let them to cook till soft. Once the carrots and the bell peppers are soft, then you're going to add the boiled meat and give a quick mix and let the meat to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to add the following spices, which is black pepper, beef masala, garam masala, and a bit of salt, and mix the meat very well. Then followed by a half a piece of jumbo or Maggi cube to add an extra amazing taste to the meat, and continue stirring. Once the spices are well mixed with the meat, you will add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix it very well. Then add the remaining meat soup and mix it very well to make sure that the meat and the vegetables are completely soft. Lastly, we're going to squeeze a half a lime to add an extra amazing taste to the meat and give a quick mix and let the meat to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And after 2 to 3 minutes, our meat is ready and serve on a bowl. And our fried meat stew is ready. As you can see in the video, this is so delicious. You can eat along with chapati, ugali, rice or bread and enjoy your meat. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.